and a very good afternoon. Today, I'll stand on my motion as the second speaker that science technology should not be used to modify animals and plants, but not humans. Should not be to modify animals and plants and humans can. Okay, from the second speaker of the affirmative, okay, his first point is risking life of the human by using biotechnology. Is that right? Risking humans, right? To do biotechnology. Actually, okay. Before something is done, that something is being researched properly. So, a country or a scientist wouldn't allow something that's insecure, then that will risk our life to be done. And it's after the properly research, and it will be done. So, actually, there's no risk in risking any human life because they have fine research before applying to anyone. Okay. Secondly, he said about overpopulation. Okay, actually, it's about changing the genes, as the minister said about changing genes. Overpopulation. We are not saying to increase the population, but to change the genes to be better, not to make many people actually. You said about overpopulation, right? You said about overpopulation. Overpopulation is will be happen. Okay, and he also said about when we do plant cloning and animal cloning, there will be more food to be eaten. Actually, the people in poor country, they don't have food. Not because they don't have food to eat, actually because they don't have money. If they have money, they have everything. Okay, I'll go to my first point. Is the genetics, and it will produce a good human and a good DNA. Actually, when a clone, or when a gene is changed, actually, it is the good quality. We take the good quality from a person to be injected to create a new person. The new person would have a very high qualification to be a human, the best human can be. Okay, it actually can prevent hereditary disease, something like HIV and AIDS. So if a mom got AIDS, so the children wouldn't have AIDS because of the gene changing. And also, we got the DNA or gene to make a new person, to have high immunity, to have his body get high immunity, so it can prevent us from having a disease that lasting can shorten our life. And actually, the DNA also affects how smart the person actually. How smart the gene from a smart person, so that new person will be smart too in her thinking because it's good DNA. And also, beautiful people can be produced with nice hair, nice eyes, and everything. And it actually increased the economy because we got fine people, we got smart people everywhere, so the economy increased. And I have mentioned this, but after we can prevent the disease, and we should live longer, and it increased the longevity. I think that's all for now, but before I rest my case, I would stand on my point that biotechnology should not be used to modify animals and plants, but for